guys, so today I'm bringing you guys a DIY denim jacket transformation. This jacket cost me less than $10 at the thrift store and it was so easy to transform into something really cool and trendy for fall. So if you guys want to see how I transformed this piece and styled it, please keep on watching. So the first thing I do before starting any DIY project is gather inspo. My favorite places to do this is Instagram as well as Pinterest. I love Pinterest and it's such a great place to find fashion inspo as well as DIY crafting tips. So I'm always on there, and slice.ca actually is a Pinterest as well, so you should definitely check it out for any latest fashion tips and all that fun stuff. So common themes I have been loving for denim jackets is faux fur, distressed, and just something that's overall really trendy and screams fall. So really excited to show you guys what I ended up doing with this one. So let's get to distressing first. I decided to crop my jacket a bit more for a flattering look, and then once you distress your jacket, to add a little bit more fray, you could definitely pop it in the dryer, but I decided to do all the DIY in one go, and it'll also just naturally fray over time. Another thing that's super important for this project is faux fur, because we decided to do a faux fur collar on this one. I think this makes the jacket look super fun. I actually picked up a few yards of this faux fur trim at the dollar store and it literally cost me a couple dollars. I didn't even use it all, so I definitely have some to save for the next project. So what I did was I trimmed it to size and then I started hot gluing it with an industrial strength glue gun. If you guys are going to be DIYing a lot, I highly suggest again to get an industrial strength glue gun. There's nothing like them. Everything just sticks so much better. And I just went really carefully in sections to make sure the whole thing was secured. You can also easily sew on your trim or use just traditional fabric glue as well and wait for it to dry. I also decided to add a little bit of trim to the pockets just to like kind of add to that leopard look, and then I let the whole thing kind of settle for a little bit, and literally in less than 20 minutes I completed this DIY denim jacket transformation. So here is the before. And here's the after. Guys, I am so happy with the way this turned out. I have it styled here with an all black outfit underneath. I think the leather pants really just kind of add to it, as well as the turtleneck. It really makes the leopard stand out. In total, this project cost me $12 Canadian, which I think is such a win for me because there's so many jackets online that are literally 10 times that price and it pretty much look the same. I can't wait to see you guys try this one and style some really fun denim looks for fall.